Hello, friends! The design and camera layout of Apple's first foldable phone, the iPhone Fold, have been revealed. This isn't just a device. It's a prototype where Apple breaks two major taboos at once: under-screen front camera, USC, and an optimized 5,500 milliamp hour battery. How did Apple fit 5,500 milliamp hours despite its obsession with thinness? And why is the 24-megapixel front camera using under-screen technology? If you're ready, let's dive into every detail of this historic leak that will change mobile dynamics in 2026. The iPhone Fold marks a first in Apple history. The device comes with a 24-megapixel resolution front camera placed under the display. This camera will also integrate the Face ID sensor. This is a brave and necessary step that Apple has avoided for years, taken now to maintain screen integrity on a foldable device. Rear section. The rear camera design is notably minimal: a 48-megapixel ultra-wide main camera and an auxiliary sensor. Apple is completely foregoing the telephoto and 2F sensors to preserve the device's light and thin structure. Apple's obsession with thinness is the biggest engineering challenge for foldables. Despite a generous 5,500 milliamp hour battery, leaks suggest the device thickness will be optimized to remain below 10 millimeters when folded. This means not just a large battery, but fitting the battery cells and internal components without increasing the device's girth. High-performance hardware, including the Apple A20 processor, the custom-developed C2 modem chip, and 12 gigabytes of RAM, will also be integrated into this slim structure. The device's overall form is confirmed to use a book-style hinge mechanism. Apple is opting for an aluminum-titanium blend in the hinge section to increase durability and minimize screen creasing. This is a special material science move chosen to manage costs while ensuring the device's longevity. The model is expected to launch in the second half of 2026 with an estimated $2,000 price tag. This model may mark a new chapter in Apple's product line and a new era in the mobile world. So yes, the iPhone Fold is not just a foldable phone. It is a slim and powerful engineering example that includes Apple firsts with the under-screen front camera USC. So, do you think Apple's radical move to forego the telephoto lens was worth the transition to under-screen camera technology? Or would you demand everything for $2,000? Let's discuss it in the comments. You must subscribe to avoid missing these revolutionary leaks. Friends, thanks for watching my video. See you later.